Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop your phone from draining too much battery. But first, please click that subscribe button, yes, the red one. Thank you. Mostly in this type of situations your battery drains faster because there are apps or there is an app that is running on the background, and those apps drains your battery a lot. So let's get into it. First, you would want to head to settings on your phone. Then you should find battery and device care, yeah, and click on it. Then you'll see this battery. You see I have 10 hours and 7 minutes left. That is after 9%, and that battery can last me up to 10 hours and 27 minutes. So click on it and you see this graph. So click on the graph. Okay, as you can see, here are the apps that are actually working on the background and they are draining my batteries, as you can see. So you can see Facebook 150.2%, YouTube 76.9, Chrome 22.6, and Video Maker 15.5, and all those. What you want to do here is that you would find some apps that you do not use. Let's say Facebook. Maybe I don't need Facebook anymore, or I don't use this so often. You would click on the Facebook, then here limit usage, you click on it, then you put app in deep sleep. What would happen if you put an app on deep sleep is that it will not be running in the background. It will not work until you enter that particular app. For example, if I put Facebook on in deep sleep, notifications from Facebook will not pop up when I am not in Facebook. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Okay, let me put Facebook now in deep sleep. Okay, now Facebook it's in deep sleep. It is deep sleeping. So what it meant by deep sleeping is that that app will not run on the background, so it would limit the usage of my battery and thereby it would last. Then we have YouTube here. I would also put YouTube in deep sleep. Putting YouTube on deep sleep meaning notifications from YouTube or the YouTube will not work in the background. And here's Snapchat too. I don't use Snapchat very often. If you too do not use Snapchat very often, you can put it in deep sleep. Even if you are using, you can put it in deep sleep so it doesn't drain your battery unless you are using that particular app. So you would locate and find every app that you do not use very often, or even then you use very often, and just put them in deep sleep, and that I guarantee you would make your phone work very faster. Like, it would not be draining too much battery. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and stick around. Thank you for watching.